Hello, little learners. So today we have been learning about glaciers. So glaciers are huge chunks of ice that are made by layers of snow, layers on top of layers. And they're all over the world in really cold places, and scientists can actually learn about our history when they study these. So today we're actually going to make some glaciers. We're going to make a fun sensory that you can help make, easy peasy. All Mrs. Mann did is I got a muffin tin and I combined some water and some blue food coloring. Then I put it into my freezer, and what do you think happened? It's not a liquid anymore, it's a solid. So it changed the state that it was in. So then all I did was, you might have a bigger sensory bin in your classroom. If you're at your house, I have just a little Tupperware container. And all you do is you put your glaciers in the water. And so they just float around. Pretty cool. And as they melt, you'll see something might happen to the water. It's already starting to happen. So this is just really fun. You can watch them melt. Maybe you have a pie plate. Maybe you want to make a big, big glacier. It's up to you. So this is just lots of fun that the kids can play with. Now you can add some Arctic animals if you have. If you don't, I have these little plastic puppets. And I thought, hey, you don't often see a tiger on a glacier, but whatever you have at home in your classroom, see what happens when you put it on top of the glacier. Now, some of them might slide off, some of them, look at, I have a little alien. But it's just fun to add some extra things into your sensory that your little learners can watch and play with. Do some observing, make some predictions, and learn some fun facts about glaciers. So have fun with this easy sensory idea and watch what happens to them.